We have another example on the board. For some students it looks very complicated, but this is a very simple problem. Let's take a look. What we're supposed to do, we're supposed to apply the definition of the logarithms 3 times. So what we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to convert the logarithmic form for the first log to the exponential. Simply write 4 to power 1/2 this base to this exponent is equal the domain of this logarithm, log base 2 log base 3, and I have x squared minus 63. Next, in order to make this simpler, I'm going to write again the logarithms on the left side and 4 to 1/2 on the right side. So I have log base 2 log base 3, and I have x squared minus 63 is equal to, because 4 to power 1/2 is equal to. Next, I'm going to convert the logarithmic form for the first log to the exponential and simply write 2 this base to this exponent to the second power is equal log base 3, and I have x squared minus 63 in parentheses. Again, I can rewrite this problem one more time like log base 3 x squared minus 63 2 to the second power is equal 4. And again, I have to apply the definition. I have to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential and simply write 3 to the 4th power is equal x squared minus 63. Next, we're supposed to combine the like terms. 3 to the 4th is equal 81. I'm going to move negative 63 to the left side. This becomes plus 63. Positive 63 equals x to the second power. 144 equals x squared. So I can write that my x is equal plus minus square root of 144. So x is equal plus minus 12. I have two answers. I have positive 12 and negative 12. Let's take a look at this problem and check which answer is going to be correct. If I'm going to have positive 12 raised to the second power, I'm going to have 144 minus 63. 144 minus 63 is going to give me positive number. And negative 12 raised to the second power is going to give me 144 minus 63 is going to give me also positive number. It's going to give me 81. So the domain in both cases is going to be positive. So if the domain is greater than 0, so both answers are correct in this case. So this is the solution to my problem.